The COZ 3,300-pound gate opener impresses with its robust 550-watt motor that efficiently handles gates weighing up to 3,300 pounds and spanning 40 feet. Crafted from solid steel, this gate opener is not only durable but also lightweight, featuring an ABS cover that efficiently dissipates heat for enhanced longevity. With the ability to operate from nearly 100 feet away, the included remote controls add convenience, and the system supports up to 25 remotes, making it perfect for large families or small communities. Safety is a priority with this opener, as it automatically reverses if obstacles are detected, complemented by frequency encryption technology to prevent unauthorized access. Designed to withstand various weather conditions, the COZ gate opener is easy to install and can be enhanced with additional accessories like solar panel kits. This gate opener combines efficiency, security, and durability, making it a smart choice for anyone looking to automate their sliding gate.